he had metal. It was metal on every brake, and he got this car for free from a coworker. And like we were doing it, we were fixing it. I got it, and I was like, Larry, you gotta sell it. And he was like, why? I was like, every single bolt in this too is rusty and broken. Like, he was like, oh, I love this. Right, Larry.
What kind of car is it?
Hyundai something. One of his coworkers had it, and that coworker's girlfriend drove it into a pond, and they dried it out, and he was driving it, and then he got a new car, and that one wasn't worth anything, so he gave it to Larry for free. Larry drives it every day, and he loves it, and it's some kind of Hyundai, a Zera, a Hyundai Zera. We call it white trash. And everything on it is rusty underneath. It looks fine from the outside, but like typical 15-year-old Northeast Ohio car. Wait for a new line of wind here. You got it, big guy.
Yes, we are. I don't see any wind coming.
Over here, right where the powerboat is. It looks like Steve's out of the harbor. I feel it.
Obviously, it's right there.
I mean, it's not on yet, but that's my bad. It's 0.23. Okay. Like, this is the perfect leg for a Force 5 upwind.
I would take at least 8 more miles an hour of wind.
Yeah. No, but for, like, if you did a wind where you were, like, 0.25, what do you guys race upwind? Half mile or 0.25?
Well, this might be it. This might be what we do. At Berlin, at least.
Yeah. There we go.
Alright, you got that main? Because I got it.
Yep.
From my angle, we got plenty of down.
Yeah, we have to take it to port.
Okay. Even then.
were, I saw a Jeep in Warren, PA.
Okay.
So I called. I did everything I could. I called. I didn't put a deposit because I was like, I don't even know if this is worth it. But everything looked good on it. I called and I was like, dude, is this as good as it looks? Like,
You called Friday afternoon.
I called Friday afternoon, 12 o'clock. I go, is it like, is there rust on it? He goes, I'll be honest with you, man. This is our detailer's personal car. He just traded it in. It's clean. I go, thank you. I go, I'll be there tomorrow morning. Check it out. 2 hours away. And so he's like, okay, man, cool, awesome. And so I put a deposit. We got it up, got all ready. We were 15 minutes away. I got a text that said, Dave, just FYI, before you leave, I want to know it sold yesterday. I went, no!
Damn.
It was cool, too.
You were coming down.
Yeah, we were in Chautauqua. It was the longest ride to take a bathroom break I've ever done in my life.
Well, then we came home and drove all the way.
Yeah.
Just drove to Madison.
Yeah, we came home. There was one for sale 10 minutes from the house. They couldn't sell it to us because it just got traded in like 2 days before. They're like, it's not ready yet. It's like, okay. It'll probably be gone by Saturday when we have time to go check it out again anyway. Yep. I kind of got it. Yeah, through the Ford triangle there.
All right. Hopefully this doesn't stop.
Yeah, dude. I don't know. Whenever Tom calls, it's Felix.
Do I have to get a timer on this one?
No.
No, but you can just for shits and giggles.
At least we'll be going back that way with the waves.
Alrighty. Let's turn this sucker around.
Here we go. Go to the other side, dude.
Ow! Son of a gun!
That's good. Ooh, this is okay.
This might be good.
That hurts.
You gonna be okay?
That's gonna be a bruise on this knee this
That,
week.
Greg, bring that
yeah,
sucker
that
in.
sail can come in.
We just moved our apparent forward.
And if we can keep boat speed, we can keep this the whole way.
Oh, Craig, keep it going. Keep that sucker going.
Yeah, let's cheat.
We're going to use every little thing we can right now. I don't get it. I'll never understand.
Huh? It's magic. Looks like a small wind line still coming. Like it looks like there's just out there between us and that power boat on our left. There's a wind.
You think they'll take the same bridge in? Just
If they quit,
we should have let them
I'm just wondering if
start
we're
the
going to make...
motors. We
we're
should
probably not
have
gonna
just
make
let
the
them start the
11:30.
motors and at least get out of the gap.
right there, I think. 100 yards away, right off our beam.
Yep.
Man, how about that 80-footer cranking it all the way down Lake Huron?
I saw it come in and I'm sitting in a meeting and I'm like, come on. End this damn meeting, I want to go take a picture. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I took my phone out in the middle and just started taking a video of it coming in. I wanted to get a video of them coming in because they sailed in the gap.
Yeah.
80 foot?
We watched it on Yacht Traffic app. Is that what we did?
Something like that.
There's
Give that a little bit of ease.
an app that if I think if you create an account, it might use your phone's
It's
GPS.
off now. They have it off.
Yeah.
So I wonder if they have to pay for it.
Yeah, I don't know. And it'll track you. And so we like these dudes. They took this 80-foot boat a couple weeks ago. They did the race that goes from the south part of Lake Huron to Mackinac Island, 300 miles. They finished. A couple days later, they brought it to Chicago, which is 300 miles. They did a race from Chicago to Mac, 300 miles. They finished, and then I don't know when they left, but I think they got back in Ashtabula Tuesday or Wednesday. So they, like, say they finished on Sunday, well, maybe Monday. I don't know.
They finished the Mac in a day.
Yeah.
Day and a
So they finished and then just pounded it home. And we watched this little dot go all the way down the map. You can track it. It was so cool.
And I saw a boat come in, and I'm like, that had to be it. So during the meeting, I went and clicked on the yacht
Yeah, it was,
tracker, and I looked at it, like, yep, that's it.
Where's this home port?
Lakeside. Yeah, bud. Not today. When they call, big guy. Cool. So yeah, what did I say? They went 1,600 miles in 3 weeks, basically. It's a long way.
Cool boat to do it on.
But that's the boat to do it. I mean, that like, what were they doing? About 10 all the way down Lake Huron?
That Ian kid posted a picture and said the owners. I wonder if there's multiple owners of that, or if it's
It
just Sam.
says Sandy. It says Burris, and there's another name. Isn't there?
I didn't see another name, so I wasn't sure.
There was a boat in up in Maine, Belfast, that came over from the Netherlands, 135 foot. Have boat yard will Craig that work on it.
Okay.
Like a 4-month project. They redid we painted the hull, painted the bottom, put it back in. That's still not the last time I was there. But redoing the interior, it was good.
Great.
I'm getting a boat like that. I want it to be the one in the magazine where I'm standing at the wheel and there's nobody else on the boat.
That's it. That's the goal.
Because you have to be able to sail it by yourself.
Well,
Doing
the
that.
crew of the captain and the cook, they're married, and there's one other guy from the States. And the girl I met, Juliano, is from Portugal. She's a crew member too. But she wasn't allowed to take me on board and watch it to see it, because girls aren't allowed to have guys on board and guys aren't allowed to have girls on board. But Amanda was able to get on. She doesn't just look a house down with the studs.
112?
135. Well, the Hatteras that was there last year, the old marina where Craig's at, I mean, we're pretty close. Came up to Miami again. And then last year I was talking to him. He said it cost him $68,000 to bring it up.
From where?
Miami.
I'd rather go buy a Melges 32 for that 62 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah, money.
I'd rather
There's so much money out
buy
there.
a couple
You don't even
thistles and
know.
go put 30 on red at the casino and just be like, let's see what we
Well,
got.
that's like the guy that owns that 135 from the Netherlands. It was brought over to the marina just for them to work on it. You know, they put the crew up in the house. There always had to be one crew member on board the boat though, all the time. They have like a check schedule. That's what Amanda was doing. Helping her do the check schedule, checking lines on the boat.
Your nephew still have the England?
Yeah. He was on. I'll show you the video of him sailing it last week.
Who do you have with him? Them?
Just a couple guys, couple friends.
Right,
Sailing from the
easing
low
that
side.
jib just a little bit.
Is that steep right there? Doesn't that boat look black?
It has to be, but it looks black.
Who are we rounded at 10:44?
9 minutes and 4 seconds. Oh, okay. I think we won.
Oh, 9 minutes. I mean, we've been cruising back so far. A little bit of luck, we'll get the 11:30 there. As long as I don't die again.
Looks like there's another wind line. So like this one's gonna hold for about